The Russian S-400 isn't just a missile system, it's a no-fly zone in a box, designed to hunt anything in the sky. Fighter jets, bombers, stealth aircraft, drones, even ballistic missiles. With a detection range of 600 kilometers and a strike range up to 400 kilometers, the S-400 can lock onto targets long before they know they're being watched. Its radar tracks multiple aircraft at once, while its hypersonic missiles hit targets at extreme altitudes. When the S-400 is deployed, pilots think twice, because once it locks on, escape is almost impossible.